1,068 people in Kenya testing positive for coronavirus in just 24 hours is not a mere statistic. Not only is this the country's highest so far, but it is also ironic that this spike has been registered under the easing of the containment of measures. Could this have been fueled by Kenyans' recklessness in adhering to the Covid-19 protocols? Jackie Wambiru has more details.
That a large number of Kenyans seem to have let their guard down in their individual responsibility to curb the spread of coronavirus infections in the country cannot be contested. A casual glance at their conduct outdoors gives a semblance of back to normal life, with masks passing crowds in disregard of social distance. There was much hue and cry over the strict containment measures, prompting the president to ease the protocols, but with caution that if things get worse, he would not hesitate to tighten the measures.
The possibility of a second wave of this pandemic is real, as we have seen in other countries. As an affirmation that the enemy is still within our borders, we continue to record new infections every day, even as we speak. And in that regard, to forestall what is happening elsewhere, we must continue adhering to the protocols issued by the Ministry of Health.
That caution seemed to have been disregarded if the crowds in bars, political rallies, marketplaces and other social gatherings are anything to go by. Could this have led to the surge in infections, with the country's highest of 1,068 people recorded in the last 24 hours? 2 secondary schools in Mombasa's Star of the Sea and Tononoka have already been shut down following coronavirus infections. Is this the abnormal treatment we are receiving for treating the pandemic normally? Reporting for Channel 1 News, I'm Jackie Wambiru.